Hi, I'm Ivar, and today I will talk about Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is a Forex and CFD trading broker that proof offers share CFDs, stocks, metals, commodities, crypto CFDs, etc. Founded in 2017 in Melbourne, Australia, offices in Vanuatu/Seychelles, offer services worldwide with tech proof. Offers competitive fees/spreads via NDDSTP exec mod. Is Fusion Markets safe or scam? No, Fusion Markets is not a scam. It is fully regulated by the respected Australian ASIC. However, the broker carries 2 other licenses from regulatory bodies registered in offshore zones. Is Fusion Markets legit? Yes, Fusion Markets is a legit and regulated broker. Fusion Markets is a trading name of Gleneagle Asset Management Limited, which is regulated and licensed by ASIC, and carries on financial services in Australia under an AFS Australian Financial Services license. How do investment scams work? The most common method used by these companies is to initially display profitable returns that give the investor a false sense of confidence and hook them to the idea of easy money. Once this confidence is established, the investor will be marketed the idea of investing more money to earn greater returns. Lost money to Fusion Markets? Companies exist that specialize and advise people to get it back. BrokerComplaintAlert.com offers free consultation and service recommendations to help recover funds.